Yeah.
Crazy how many just pop up.
Well done, Kim.
Well done. Yeah, me
Where's
too.
the mom?
No, I don't know, because the tracks.
The tracks looks
Yeah, I
like
wonder
the
if she's not
youngster.
on our side.
But the mom going to other side.
The reason you can't domesticate them is the joint, elephant, between the cervical vertebra and the back vertebra is very weak. See last year's males, the little straight horns.
You inhale the smoke. Let me. Your light is not okay. Okay. Just a little bit of it. So, whenever you have some sinuses, you have some bleeding some in your nose, then you just inhale. Smells nice. You wanna try?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it does.
Mm-hmm.
Which you would not expect.
I could then inhale that all day long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like it smells similar to the one, the very thin
Insects. It
Thank
does
you.
smell like insects.
And then
It really does.
some other time, whenever you sleep in the bush, then you light up this, then it will take the mosquitoes away because of the smell. So yeah, here's another one. Just fill the lips. Just fill it. Yeah, when you're stuck in the bush, talking about the survival, then you don't have that white paper that you should use in the bush. This is the right one.
Just make sure you use more than one piece.
You have to make some layers. They call it
Wattle.
whipping wattle. Thank you. Yeah. They call it whipping wattle. So yeah, it helps you. And then with this, the bark, you can strip the bark to make a line with it. We used to make a line for catching birds. You get a flat rock, put it down, and then you get a stick, make like this, and then when the birds come, we put some peanuts or some mealies. When they come, we just hook it out, then the birds, boom, then you take the to make them a nice fried chicken.
Just watch your snap, please. And they can't flip through.
I'll get it.
And there's a bottle there as well.
Someone's bed.
Yeah, it is a bed thing. Thank you, and this bottle. you serious?
The phone calling?
Oh, you can hear further down.
Yeah, well, I'm sure it's going to this water down there. Yeah, you can go to your room. You can go to your room.
Yeah. I wouldn't talk to you like that. Talk to this one like this. It's confusing. That is.
What is it?
That's a white-tailed mongoose.
Mongoose, okay.
He walks like this. Yeah, little. It's so cute. It's so
Big dog.
very cool.